Welcome to today's video, where we'll be exploring one of the most significant shifts in global economics of our time. It's no secret that the US dollar has reigned as the world's reserve currency for the last 80 years. But what happens when emerging alternatives, such as China's yuan, threaten to take that crown? This shift is a potential game changer for businesses and individuals alike, as it can significantly impact the way we trade and do business globally. Most importantly in this video, we'll look at as an individual or a business, how you can take proactive measures to overcome this challenge. Further, what probable actions the U.S. can take in order to retain its global superpower. As we all know, the US dollar has been the world's reserve currency for the past 80 years. However, recent developments suggest that its dominance is under threat. Countries such as Brazil and China have started to use their own currencies for trade, which promotes greater bilateral trade and saves costs. China has been pursuing a mission to internationalize the yuan and build a large coalition of partners that will use the yuan instead of the US dollar. This is evident in their bilateral pacts with 41 countries, with the total value of these agreements being more than $500 billion. The petro-yuan is also rising, which means using the yuan to settle oil bills instead of the petrodollar. Even India's Reserve Bank has allowed international trade settlements in the Indian rupee, and banks in 18 countries have opened special accounts to help settle trade payments in the Indian rupee.
Countries in South America, Southeast Asia, and Africa are also losing patience with the US dollar and looking to use their own currencies for trade. Saudi Arabia has become a member of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization. All these developments suggest that the US dollar's downfall has already begun, and the world is moving towards a multipolar currency system. So, what are the three key benefits of a shift away from the dominance of the US dollar in the global economy?
Number 1. Greater stability. A more diversified global currency system could provide greater stability by reducing the dependence on a single currency, which can be vulnerable to fluctuations in the global economy. Number 2. Increased trade. A shift towards multiple currencies in international trade could increase trade between countries and promote greater economic growth by removing barriers such as currency exchange rates. Number 3. More equitable distribution of power. A move away from the US dollar as the world's reserve currency would lead to a more equitable distribution of power in the global economy, with more countries having a say in the financial system and its regulations. Having such threats, we'll look at the opportunities for the US dollar even with a shift in the global economy. Number 1. Reserve currency status. The US dollar will likely continue to be one of the world's major reserve currencies, even if it is no longer the dominant one. This will ensure that the US has a significant say in global financial regulations and will remain a key player in international trade. Number 2. Investment opportunities. Despite a shift towards other currencies in international trade, the US will continue to offer a safe and stable investment environment, which will attract investors looking for long-term stability and growth. Number 3. Innovation and productivity. The US has a strong tradition of innovation and productivity, and this will continue to attract investors and companies looking to invest in research and development, as well as take advantage of the US's highly skilled workforce and advanced technological infrastructure.
So, what proactive actions can individuals and businesses take to address this change in the global economy? Here are 3 suggestions. Firstly, diversify your portfolio. Do not put all your investments in one currency or asset class. Invest in different currencies, stocks, bonds, and commodities. This will help mitigate the risks of a sudden shift in currency dominance. For instance, if you're investing in stocks, consider investing in companies from different countries and industries to spread out your risk. Similarly, if you're investing in bonds, consider investing in bonds denominated in different currencies to reduce your exposure to any single currency. Diversifying your portfolio can also help you take advantage of the growth opportunities in different regions and industries.
Secondly, keep yourself updated with the latest developments in the global economy. Stay informed about the trends, policies, and events that can impact your investments. Read news articles, follow economic indicators. This will help you make informed decisions about your portfolio. For instance, you can keep an eye on the exchange rates of different currencies and monitor the performance of stock markets around the world. Additionally, staying informed about the policies and events that can impact your investments. This can help you make timely adjustments to your portfolio. Thirdly, hedge your investments. Use hedging strategies to protect your portfolio from currency risks. This will help you reduce the impact of currency movements on your portfolio. Hedging your investments can involve using options, futures, or forwards to offset the risks of currency fluctuations. For example, if you're investing in a foreign currency, you can use a currency forward contract to lock in the exchange rate for a future date. Similarly, if you're investing in stocks, you can use options to protect your portfolio from a sudden drop in the stock price. Hedging can help you reduce the impact of currency risks on your portfolio and preserve your gains.
In conclusion, the dominance of the US dollar is under threat, and the world is moving towards a multipolar currency system. This shift can significantly impact the global economy and businesses and individuals who hold the currency. Therefore, it is crucial to take proactive actions to address this change and protect your portfolio from currency risks. We hope you found this video informative and insightful. Please consider subscribing to my channel for insightful ideas in the future. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.